Now question is a kite in the shape of a sphere. A kite in the shape of a sphere with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal of sphere 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base is 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much of paper of each shade has been used in it? Now what is given in this question? Given is that a kite is made up of sphere and an isosceles triangle with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal of sphere is given 32 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter each and base is 8 centimeter of an isosceles triangle. Base of an isosceles triangle equal to 8 centimeter and equal sides of an isosceles triangle equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, these are the two equal sides of a triangle. Therefore, D equal to DF equal to 6 centimeter. Now, what is we have to find in this question? How much of paper of each shade has been used in it? Now, to find area of each shade of kite. Now to solving this question, we will use diagonal property of a sphere. We know that diagonals of sphere are equal, and it is given that diagonal of sphere is 32 centimeter. Therefore, we can write AC equal to BD equal to 32 centimeter. We know that diagonals of sphere are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree and bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other mean AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Therefore, we can write BO equal to OD equal to half of BD. Half of BD is 32 centimeter. Therefore, BO equal to OD equal to 16 centimeter. Similarly, AO equal to OC equal to 16 centimeter. Bisect each other at 90 degree. At 90 degree means BO is perpendicular on AC and BO is perpendicular on AC. In the same way, AO is perpendicular on BD and CO is perpendicular on BD. At 90 degree means BO is perpendicular on AC and BO is perpendicular on AC. In it we have to use this diagonal in the form of perpendicular. Now in next part we will solve this question by finding area of each shade one by one. Firstly, we will find area of triangle ABC or area of shade 1. In step 1, we will find area of shade 1. Now in this given triangle, BO is perpendicular on AC. It means BO is height of triangle ABC. And we know that a triangle in which height is given, we can use half area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. Area of shade 1 or area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Base is AC and we know that AC equal to 32 centimeter. Half into base is AC and height is BO equal to half. AC is 32 centimeter and BO is 16 centimeter. Therefore, area of shade 1 equal to 256 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find area of shade 2. In step 2, area of shade 2, which is again in triangle form, equal to half into base into height. Here base is of AC and AC is 32 centimeter and height is DO and DO is 16 centimeter. Therefore, area of shade 2 equal to 256 centimeter square. Now in step 3, we will find area of triangle, isosceles triangle. In step 3, we have to find area of an isosceles triangle. Area of shade 3 equal to, now shade 3 is in triangle form where length of 3 sides are given. Now to find its area, we will use Heron's formula. In step 3, we have to find area of this triangle, area of shade 3. By using Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now here A is of 6 centimeter, B is of 6 centimeter, and C is of 8 centimeter. And calculates its semi-perimeter. S means semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is 6, B is 6 and C is of 8 centimeter. Now 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. By 2, S equal to 10 centimeter. Now in next step we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Area of shade 3 equal to under root s, s minus c, s minus b, s minus c. Then it will become 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Now we have to reduce 10 into lowest form. Fourth partner is already here, therefore no need to make its prime factor. 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2. Now make pair of same numbers and bring out one number from each pair. Equal to 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Area of shade 3 is 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Area of shade 1 is 256 centimeter square. Area of shade 2 is 256 centimeter square. And area of shade 3 is 8 under root 5. 8 under root 5 centimeter square.